So guys, let me show you now how to apply. We make application on the Cloud Workers. So this is the part one first. So we will be moving step by step. So you'll head over to Cloud Workers, cloudworkers.company to cloud or cloudworkers.com. Okay, let's just search like this. Or you can search cloudworkers.company. Okay, then now come here and then click on apply, and then come and fill out your names as it is on your first name, then the last name, it's Major, and then the email address. So it is Major Juan, Major 2444 at Gmail. So guys, as you can remember that it's not a must that you just make a one application. You can create as many emails, then make application. Okay, so that's the trick. And then after that, Major Juan 2444 at gmail.com, and then date of birth, (1968). Then it's not a must you put on the number. The Skype name is not a must. Times available via telephone is not a must. And then English native. And then do you have experience in chat moderation? You can say yes or no, but it's not a must that you fill in those part. How did you hear about us? You can either state Google, friends. So okay, you can choose any. And then now please tell us something about yourself and why we should hire you. So you can use ChatGPT. Okay, so you can copy the question like that, and then copy paste that, and then come and write you can say I am a chat moderator okay, give me an answer to this question. Then put like that, and then click enter. And then you copy this response, paste it here. Hi, my name is, now we put our name, Juan Major, and I'm a dedicated, responsible individual with a strong passion for creating safe, engaging, and respectful online communities. I've experienced moderating chats, handling conflict calmly, enforcing community guidelines, same topic. So just like that, and then you click on I have read, I'm not a robot. Then check out the boxes like that. And then submit application. and you should be making like 5 application. Okay, make as many application as you can, and just like that. Okay. In order to confirm your application, please click on this confirmation link. Click on that. And then thanks for verifying your email address. We confirm that your application has been submitted successfully.